In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shipping protection to your Shopify store using the ShipGuard app. Whether you're running a busy online shop or you simply want to provide extra security and peace of mind for your customers, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify admin and go to the Settings option on the left-hand menu. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Apps and Sales Channels. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the link to the Shopify App Store. You'll see several options that help you browse and install apps that add new functionalities to your store. In the search bar, type ShipGuard and look for the app titled ShipGuard Shipping Protection. Follow the on-screen instructions to open the app page and then scroll down to click the Install button. Shopify will handle the installation automatically, so there's nothing technical you need to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store and have your store theme ready for customization. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent confusion while embedding the app. Once the app is installed, head back to your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store in the left-hand menu. Click Customize to open the theme editor, which allows you to adjust the appearance of your store. In the theme editor, locate the App Embeds section. Here, find the Shipping Protection toggle button and enable it. By doing this, ShipGuard will be integrated directly into your store, making shipping protection active for all customer orders. After enabling the toggle, preview your store to ensure everything appears correctly. After that, you should have a fully functional shipping protection system that adds an extra layer of security without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check your checkout process to confirm the protection option is visible to customers. Taking this extra step ensures smooth operations and enhances trust with your audience. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add ShipGuard shipping protection to your Shopify store easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be looking to secure their shipments. Why not make someone's selling experience safer too?